With a high number of safety awards and top-of-the-line luxury, Volvos are pretty darn good cars. And car gurus Edmunds and Car and Driver agree, giving the current Volvo fleet an average rating of 7.8 and 8.6 respectively. You can expect your Volvo to require the same amount or less maintenance than other cars. According to RepairPal, Volvos tend to visit the repair shop about 0.5 times per year for unscheduled maintenance, and only 9% of those repairs are considered severe. 2023 Volvo V60 Cross Country. The Volvo V60 Cross Country is a midsize all-wheel drive wagon providing customers with an excellent SUV alternative. The Scandinavian sleek design makes it a standout luxury car, while a raised ride height and off-road driving modes give it the bona fides it needs to blast through bad weather. The elegant interior sports premium materials, and Volvo kindly includes copious standard safety and driver assistance systems. The Volvo V60 Cross Country is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the Ultimate, which starts at $55,195 and comes with a 2.0 L i4 turbo engine and all-wheel drive. This V60 Cross Country is estimated to deliver 23 mpg in the city and 30 mpg on the highway. 2023 Volvo XC90. The highly appealing Volvo XC90 continues to stand out in a crowded class of midsize luxury SUVs, delivering a unique blend of style, comfort, tech features, and elite safety performance. The Volvo XC90 is a 7-seater vehicle that comes in 3 trim levels. The most popular style is the B6 Plus 7-passenger AWD, which starts at $64,495 and comes with a 2.0 L i4 SC and turbo engine and all-wheel drive. This XC90 is estimated to deliver 20 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. 2023 Volvo XC90 Recharge. The Volvo XC90 Recharge is a 7-seater vehicle that comes in 3 trim levels. The most popular style is the Plus 6-passenger, which starts at $75,195 and comes with a plug-in hybrid 2.0 L i4 turbo engine and all-wheel drive. This XC90 Recharge is estimated to deliver 26 mpg combined. 2023 Volvo S90. The Volvo S90 is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the Ultimate, which starts at $63,645 and comes with a 2.0 L i4 SC and turbo engine and all-wheel drive. This S90 is estimated to deliver 23 mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway. 2023 Volvo XC40 Recharge. The Volvo XC40 Recharge puts the lie to the idea that an EV need place substance over style. On the contrary, Volvo sets itself apart with an angular, modern exterior and a tidy cabin swathed in high-quality materials and advanced safety tech. The XC40 Recharge's 402 horsepower drivetrain supplies more than enough power and up to 208 miles of driving range. The Volvo XC40 Recharge is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 3 trim levels. The most popular style is the Ultimate, which starts at $60,595 and comes with an electric engine and all-wheel drive. This XC40 Recharge is estimated to deliver 92 mpg in the city and 79 mpg on the highway. 2023 Volvo V90 Cross Country. The 2023 Volvo V90 Cross Country has roots going back 25 years when the original Volvo V70 XC debuted. The equation has remained largely the same, a raised wagon with all-wheel drive and rugged body panels built to transport rural families over dirt roads and muddy tracks. The V90 Cross Country offers similar abilities to an SUV and a more car-like package, packed with safety technology for added peace of mind on long trips. The Volvo V90 Cross Country is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 2 trim levels. The most popular style is the Ultimate, which starts at $65,145 and comes with a 2.0 L i4 SC and turbo engine and all-wheel drive. This V90 Cross Country is estimated to deliver 22 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.